The Ford Explorer has been a cornerstone of American automotive innovation for over 3 decades, embodying the spirit of adventure, reliability, and versatility. Since its debut in 1990, the Explorer has redefined what it means to be an SUV, setting the standard for family-friendly vehicles that are equally capable of tackling rugged terrain as they are navigating city streets. Over the years, it has evolved from a rugged, body-on-frame SUV to a modern, sleek, and tech-savvy crossover, all while staying true to its roots as a dependable and powerful vehicle. The Explorer has always been more than just a car. It's a symbol of exploration and freedom. It's the vehicle that has taken families on cross-country road trips, carried adventurers to remote trails, and provided a safe and comfortable ride for millions of drivers. With its spacious interior, advanced safety features, and cutting-edge technology, the Explorer has consistently adapted to the changing needs of its drivers, ensuring it remains a top choice in the competitive SUV market. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Ford Explorer is its ability to balance power and efficiency. Whether equipped with a robust V6 engine, a turbocharged EcoBoost option, or a hybrid powertrain, the Explorer delivers the performance needed for both everyday commutes and off-road excursions. Its intelligent four-wheel drive system and terrain management features make it a true all-terrain vehicle, ready to handle whatever challenges the road, or lack thereof, throws its way. But the Explorer isn't just about capability, it's also about innovation. With features like the Sync infotainment system, wireless charging, and a suite of driver assist technologies, the Explorer keeps drivers connected and in control. It's a vehicle that doesn't just keep up with the times, it sets the pace. As we celebrate 30 years of the Ford Explorer, we're reminded of its enduring legacy. It's a vehicle that has grown with its drivers, adapting to new technologies and changing lifestyles while remaining a trusted companion for every journey. The Explorer isn't just an SUV, it's a testament to Ford's commitment to quality, innovation, and the spirit of exploration. Here's to the next 30 years of adventure, discovery, and unforgettable memories behind the wheel of the Ford Explorer.